Hi everyone, so today we're going to show you what are the things that you're going to get in your tent. It's sort of an unpacking of the tent and how to fix your tent. I've got my little helper here, yeah? Okay, so the first thing that you'll get is this bed. It's a quilted bed with a soft padding that goes on the bottom of the bed, right? We're just going to show you. So these are the sticks that you'll be getting. You will be getting 8 of them. These two are going to be screwed together like this and they make one stick. So this helps you in storing. When you're not using this tent, you can store it. So this is how they are after you've assembled all of them. So you'll get 8 pieces, joining it 2 each, and you get these 4 sticks. Okay, we'll show you how to assemble them now. So this is the main thing that comes with the tent, which is the TP cover. So you will get one of this in the package, and we'll show you just how to assemble them now. Okay, so there are 4 corners in the tent. I don't know if you can see it here. So here goes 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 corners, and inside the corners, we have 1 second. Yeah, inside the corners we have these loops that hold the stick in place. Yeah, these loops, there will be 3 loops that hold the stick in the place. So we turn it upside down. So this is the front of the TP. This has the door, you can identify that, right? Just hold that. Yeah. Then I've got the second loop. Yeah, I've got the second loop and I slide the stick through the second loop.
I'll fix that.
Okay, thank you.
Go.
Push. Yes, got it. And we put in the last loop.
So here's the first loop, the stick goes inside it, the second loop and the third loop. The third loop is closed so this stick can sit firmly. Now this goes into the loop on the bed. We've got 4 loops at the 4 corners of the bed. So the whole tent is secured safely.
So that
Now
it
it's
doesn't
secure.
fall.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed setting this tent up with us. Vihan totally loves his tent.